Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you saw by the title, I am reviewing today and trying out for the very first time with you guys the Fenty Beauty. These are her Snap Shadows. This one right here is number 7, which is Cadet. And what caught me about Cadet was the yellows, the greens, and the blues. I mean, all of them, all 6 of them are gorgeous. This beautiful shimmery one here as well is gorgeous. And I was like, I've never tried anything from Fenty as far as eyeshadows, and I really wanted to try it out. And I figured this little tiny mini one, and I kid you not, this is mini. My hands are, I wouldn't say they're super big, but this is tiny. When I received it, I got it on Friday. I was like, whoa, you are small for $25. But this look that I have on my eyes is what I created with this. Let's go ahead and show you how I did this look. I want you to know, if you ever see me using the same brushes, which I do, I can't find the other one. I use the same brushes. What I tend to do is I turn them, and then what I'll do is I'll grab a napkin, and if I'm going to the next color, I just kind of take off the tip and I use it, because these colors, you tend to blend them together, so it's okay to use the same brush, turn it over, because it'll end up blending even better. It's just my thought, my tip. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's make this face. So here is the finished look. I'm actually the look is beautiful. These colors together are absolutely beautiful. But this is a review about their Fenty's new Snap Shadows. This number 7, like I said, Cadet. These colors are gorgeous. These colors are definitely in 100 other palettes. Are they exact? Heck no, they're not exact. There is no exact color unless they completely copied the formula. This is basically like a nude lipstick. You know, we always justify the fact that we have 20 nudes, but they're all a little different, which is true. I wanted to try it because I've never tried any eyeshadows from Fenty Beauty, and I do own a few other products, which I'll talk about in a minute. But I really wanted to try their eyeshadows, and I figured this is perfect to try out. This is tiny, guys, like super, super tiny. I couldn't believe how tiny when I got it. Like these pan sizes, they look big, but they're tiny. They're tiny, okay? But for $25, you know, it reminded me of Natasha Denona. Now, did the shadows in there perform like her? No. I'm actually a little disappointed. I've been seeing different reviews about this, but even with me watching reviews, I never let those reviews, if they're negatives, justify me from not using it. Unless they're 100 billion, then obviously I'm not going to waste my money. Unless my followers are like, please, Jen, you know, review it, we want to know what you think. Then I go ahead and I take the leap and I hope for the best. But I was not happy. When I swatched this yesterday for the first time, and I was taking pictures of it before I used it, I was a little disappointed on how these mattes swatched. I had to literally go over them 3 times to get the color to show. The shimmers I actually liked, except this one. When I was applying it today, I went over, and when I went over again to get the next area, it just kind of took off from the other one. And I'm like, oh, this is one of those things where I'm like, should I try this a few times? I don't know if I am. This is one that right now, this green right here is like completely fading away. I wish cameras picked up what we see in our eyeballs. It is coming off, so I'm actually disappointed, and I hate it because I don't normally find products that disappoint me, and I try my very best to select things that I'm gonna love because I don't like giving something but for me, no. You could definitely try it because, like I always tell people, you know, if it didn't work for me, it doesn't mean it won't work for you. We have different chemistry. Normally, I like to give things 3 tries, but I don't know if I'm going to give this 3 tries. Just don't know. I might. Who knows? I might bite my tongue and do it because that's what I normally tend to do. But I don't know. All right, what else do I own from Fenty? I own their concealer. This is a perfect match. It just does not cover my dark circles, so I'm like, I do own their setting powder and butter. I actually had gotten lavender first, did not like it, returned it, and I bought this one and I love it. I do own this mini set, which is like a bronzer, and they're both bronzers, but one's a cream and one is powder. The cream I actually forgot to show on video, but I did use it and I put it over the powder, and I have to give it that it did blend beautifully even over powder. The color for me just doesn't work. I think it'll work better on a darker skin tone. I also own a lipstick from Fenty and the gloss, which is what I have on. It's not like what I would really pair up, but I wanted to use as much Fenty because this is the only one I own from them. Love their formula. I also love the glosses. They're wonderful. I do own also a highlighter. This is Kilowatts, and I love it. I think it works beautifully. So, you know, out of everything, there's a lot that I love, and there's probably these 2 that I did not love. I don't know why I never returned this because I hate returning things, but this is probably going back because $25 for this tiny little thing. I could use it on something else. Anyway, guys, that is my little video, little review for you guys. If you like it, please don't forget to hit like. Please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button and that little notification bell so you're notified when I upload next. If you guys have any questions, feel free. Oh, if you're wondering, the lashes that I'm wearing, these are actually going nuts. These are from Prados Beauty. I love their lashes and the brushes. They are my top favorite. This one is called Wife Me. This is launching this month in January. If you follow my Instagram, I'll definitely let you know what day and everything. But so far, it's January 17th from what she told me last. and they're very comfortable, obviously very glamorous. So anyways, I'm gonna go because I've been yapping again for 5 minutes. Take care, guys. Love you all.